Welcome to the Brelsford Vineyard Apartments, located next door to the CIC Building on the WSU Tri Cities campus, with PNNL and Hanford nearby. This open concept 3-bedroom and 3-bathroom design includes a large, fully equipped kitchen with plenty of cabinets and counter space. The 3 bedrooms are ideally spaced to provide added privacy and quiet study time for each resident. Each of the full bathrooms include a tub and shower combination. The self-contained laundry will also be a real time saver. Every unit includes air conditioning and heat, with free Wi-Fi and bulk cable boasting 150 plus channels. We have an on-site property manager to quickly help with any issues that may arise. Other amenities include a heated pool, indoor fitness center, and outdoor sports court. There are even study rooms available for group work. There is plenty of on-site parking with an option to rent a covered parking space. Many units enjoy stunning views of the river or the colorful sunrises and sunsets. Come live with us at Brelsford Vineyard Apartments.